Alright guys, I wanted to make this really quick video. I have my package of facial tissue from Amazon commercial, okay? Now, I am a girl who always buys these big boxes of up and up tissues from Target. And usually these are 144 two plies in a box, right? And I get 4 boxes for like $5. Yeah. So I'm basically paying about 125, 130-ish per box or something like that. After it's all said and done. So I decided I hate the design. That's what I meant to say. I was so tongue-tied. The design of these boxes suck. They're so big and they're so bulky. The reason I say that is because I had these, see that little box on the side of my water? See how small and dainty that is? I just want stuff that's going to match what's going on and not look like it's too busy. I hate busy things. I hate things that look just too busy. So I came across these white boxes, black writing, Amazon facial tissues. They just came today, so I'm unboxing and showing you them together at the same time. We're going to be, and they're not a big difference from the tissues from Target, basically. So one box is like 70 cents because I paid 24. I'm going to close this because we all got tissues in our room already, so this would be our refills. I paid $24 for 30 boxes of tissue. When I get this for $1 and some change, right? So 4 boxes for like $5, $5.99 or $4.99, something like that. Sometimes they have the 6 boxes where it's like $7.99 or something. So basically a ripoff to me, because 2 of those boxes together is more than what's in one of these, and I'm still paying less for this. So if you don't know, Amazon Basics has facial tissue, toilet paper. I'm going to look into toilet paper. The reviews on the toilet paper was amazing. And I've been a Scott girl for years. And I have transitioned into, it was Kroger's tissue. We don't have Kroger's up here, so I transitioned into Great Value, which is comparison to the Scott's tissue. And I also tried Aldi's, which was not bad at all. Now, I've read the reviews on people who were in love with Scott's. Nobody couldn't tell them otherwise, which was me. I was one of those girls, okay? And the reviews are amazing. You get 80 rolls of tissue for $45. So when we go low on our tissue, I might be looking into that, because it's with Amazon. If you don't like it, you could just send it back, tell them it wasn't good. So why not try it out? I like to buy in bulk. This is stuff that we're going to need. This is stuff that once the tissue is being used, the boxes all can be recycled. So look into Amazon Basics. Look into getting your toilet paper, your tissue, and they have paper towel. I have been using Bounty for years, and I transitioned over to the Great Value comparison to Bounty Select the Size. So I love it, and I haven't changed yet. So I've been on Great Value toilet paper and Great Value paper towel, and they have been the bomb. Now, when I did the comparison of the price of the 80 rolls versus what I pay at Walmart, it was about the same. But the great part about Amazon is I don't have to go to the store and pick it up. You get what I'm saying? It can just be delivered here. So I think that that's a better deal for me, to also just have it delivered to the home. So I wanted to share this with you guys, and I think that this box is going to look even better. Let's just see how one of these boxes look and how the difference is over in that corner. Hold on. Yes, I love it so much better. It looks so much more cleaner, and you don't come in and focus straight on the box of tissue when you come in. So yeah, I'm going to keep that on that side, and I'm going to put this one on my hubby side. Yeah, because you really can't see over there. So yeah, I wanted to share that with you. I hope you guys enjoyed these videos of me showing you how to save your coins and how to make things more minimal, clean line, and streamlined in your home. So if you have any comments, leave them below, and I will try my best not to forget to put the link to this product in the description. This is not sponsored. I don't get a dime, and as y'all know, I will let y'all know if I ever had to sponsor something or somebody wanted me to share something. You already know I'm not going to share it if I don't like it, but I like it. The texture and everything is pretty cool, and the reviews were amazing, so that's why I said I gotta share this with my revivers. Okay, so I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video, and later gators.